So you spend hours, maybe even days, crafting the perfect rogue. You've got the cool, edgy backstory, a name that drips with mystery, and a mini that looks absolutely killer on the table. You're picturing this master of shadows, a phantom that strikes from nowhere and deals insane damage with a single perfectly placed strike. But what if I told you that one super common, almost instinctive habit is secretly turning your deadly assassin into the party's biggest liability? The worst part? You probably don't even know you're doing it. This one mistake is the difference between being a tactical legend and being, well, deadweight. Just picture this. It's your turn in a big fight. The party's fighter is going toe-to-toe with the furious ogre. The wizard is desperately trying to keep everything from exploding, and all eyes are on you. You declare, "I want to hide." Your DM gives you that look, glances at the map, and says, "Where?" You're in a brightly lit room with bare stone walls, and you're standing 10 feet from the ogre it's currently staring at. The frustration is immediate and painful. You burn your entire turn, your action, your movement, just to shuffle behind a flimsy table. And then the ogre takes one step to his side and sees you anyway. Your amazing stealth roll means nothing because you can't hide from a creature that has a clear line of sight to you. Meanwhile, the fighter takes another bone-crushing hit. The wizard burns a precious high-level spell slot just to keep everyone breathing, and you did absolutely nothing. Zero damage, zero contribution. It's a terrible feeling, and it's a pain that way too many rogue players experience, but it all stems from a fundamental misunderstanding from your most iconic feature. The single biggest mistake rogue players make is thinking they have to be hidden to use your sneak attack. That's it. That's the whole trap. That one belief cripples countless rogues, session after session. The name sneak attack is honestly a little misleading, and it tricks players into this all or nothing playstyle, where they spend turn after turn trying to set up the perfect stealthy attack, and feel useless when they can't. So let's break down the actual rule, because this is a complete game changer. You get to use sneak attack once on your turn if one of two things is true. The first one is the one everyone knows. You have advantage on the attack roll. And yes, attacking from a hidden position is a great way to gain advantage. But here's the part everyone seems to forget. You also get to use your sneak attack if another enemy of your target is within 5 feet of it. The only catch is that ally can't be incapacitated, and you can't have disadvantage on your roll. That's it. This means if your party's barbarian, paladin, or fighter is up in a monster's grill, you automatically get to add that sweet sneak attack damage. No hiding necessary. So, what does this actually mean in a game? It means you stop obsessing over hiding and start obsessing over your positioning. Your melee bodies are your new best friends because they are literally enabling your damage. Think of yourself less like a solo assassin who lives in the dark and more like a tactical striker. An opportunist who exploits the chaos your friends create. The barbarian is wrestling with an orc? Just walk right up, stab it, and roll all those glorious sneak attack dice. You suddenly become a reliable, consistent source of damage every single round. This completely changes how you should use your cunning action. Instead of using your bonus action to hide before you attack, You should flip the script. Attack first with your action, get that guaranteed sneak attack damage thanks to your frontline body, and then use your cunning action to disengage or hide as a bonus action. Attack, do your job, and then use your incredible mobility to zip back to the safe spot. You get the best of both worlds. You contribute massively to the fight and you protect your squishy self. Fantasy of playing a rogue isn't just about skulking in the shadows, it's about being a precise, clever and deadly combatant who works with their team to take down impossible threats. So stop thinking you need to be hidden to be useful. Your party needs your blade in the fight, not your character fumbling a stealth check behind the barrel. Embrace your role as a tactical opportunist. Work with your allies, guarantee that sneak attack damage every single turn, and you'll transform from the party's potential liability into the most reliable and devastating weapon. If this tip just blew your mind and completely changed how you see the rogue, do me a favor and hit that like button. And drop a comment below. What's the biggest mistake you've ever made as a rogue? Or seen another make? I read every single one, and if you want more guides to help you become a master of your class, make sure to subscribe.